my name is Ashley Walker, reporting for T-Bird News. It's almost time for Thornwood's annual fall play, Motown Showdown, starring Thornwood's talented students. Stephon Boone, a junior here at Thornwood, will be leading one of the songs in the musical.
I was born and raised in a slum fair city. It was a one-room sex in a church society.
My name is Stephon Boone, and I am in the Motown musical. And I've been up here for 3 years now, and I am very excited for this musical that we are doing this year. This is our first Motown musical, and I'm very excited because I'm old school at heart, and I love to sing, and I love for other people to hear my voice. And I would love if you guys would really come out and enjoy our performance.
Raven Dozier has been dedicated to performing arts since her freshman year. This year, she has stepped her game up as a student director.
As student director, I'm excited for this musical production because people have been working very hard, and it's a very challenging job being student director.
Mr. Rissmiller has worked so hard with directing our students to all make this happen.
I decided, why don't we go ahead and take American Idol and their format and mix it with some Motown and throw Thornwood into the mix.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, hey, Mr. Postman. Mr. Postman.
I would describe my cast as a mixture of very talented individuals, very diverse talent, actually. We have some great singers, we have some amazing dancers, and we have some pretty good actors. And we're going to throw them all together on stage for what will be an amazing performance.
Like your once grown cold has grown gold. All on your own. Drifting out on your own. A hand to hold, darling.
Well, that's all we have today, folks. You've seen our amazing, talented students in our fall musical. Be sure to mark your calendars for October 9th, 10th, and 11th at 7:30. I'm Ashley Walker, reporting for T-Bird News.